simple. It all happened very quickly. The gray car came straight out of the corner and hit the blue car. The blue car didn't have any chance. It was the gray car driver's fault. Introduction to past simple. Use the simple past to express the idea that an action started and finished at a specific time in the past. Sometimes, the speaker may not actually mention the specific time, but they do have one specific time in mind. Positive forms. A regular past form ends in ed. It happened very quickly. The van crashed into the car. I posted the letter yesterday. We once owned a caravan. Some verbs have an irregular past form. The car came out of the corner. I won the game. I had breakfast at 6. The train left on time. We took some photos. Victor rang us earlier. The past simple is the same in all persons except in the past tense of be. Positive. I/he or she/it was. You/we/they were. I was ill last week. Those cakes were nice. Negatives and questions. Negative. I/you/he or she/it/we/they did not stop the car, or didn't. Question. Did I/you/he or she/it/we/they stop the car? The car did not stop. The driver didn't look to his right. What did you tell the police? Nothing. Did you ring home? Yes, I did. We do not use a past form such as stopped or rang in negatives and questions, because the auxiliary verb did is already in the past tense. The car didn't stop. Wrong. The car didn't stop. Right. Did you ring us at 6 o'clock? Wrong. Did you ring us at 6 o'clock? Right. We also use was and were in negatives and questions without auxiliary verb did. Negative. I/he or she/it/was not in Paris, or wasn't. You/we/they were not in Paris, or weren't. Question. Was I/he or she/it/ in Paris? Or wasn't? Were you/we/they were not in Paris? Or weren't? I wasn't very well last week. The gates weren't open. Where was your friend last night? Was your steak nice? Use. We use the past simple for something in the past which is finished. Emma passed her exam last year. We went to the theater on Friday. Elvis Presley died in 1977. I knew what the problem was. When did you buy this car? About 3 years ago. Past simple is used to express actions in the past taking place one after the other. He came in, took off his coat and sat down. The car took the turn fast, accelerated and hit to a truck. Past simple is used to express action in the past taking place in the middle of another action. While I was driving fast on the road, it rained. She came in when her friend was sleeping.
Past continuous tense. I had a wonderful time last morning. I was sitting in a park. The sun was shining, and the birds were singing. The cherry flowers were blooming. It was very peaceful. 1. Introduction. The past continuous means that at a time in the past, we were in the middle of an action. Study the following conversation. Melanie, I rang at about 3 yesterday afternoon, but you weren't in. I didn't know where you were. David, oh, I was helping Mike. We were repairing his car. It took ages. We were working on it all afternoon. Melanie, it was raining. I hope you weren't doing it outside. David, No, we were in the garage. So I didn't get wet. But I'm afraid I got oil all over my new trousers. Melanie, why were you wearing your new trousers to repair a car? David, I don't know. I forgot I had them on. Two. How do we make the past continuous tense? Positive. Subject plus was slash were not plus ving. He was studying English. I was listening to music. They were studying English. We were listening to music. Negative. Subject plus was slash were not plus ving. He wasn't studying English. I was not listening to music. They weren't studying English. We weren't listening to music. Question. Was slash were plus subject plus ving. Was she studying English? Was he listening to music? Were they studying English? Were you listening to music? Three. How do we use the past continuous tense? An action at a specific time. The past continuous tense expresses action at a particular moment in the past. The action started before that moment but has not finished at that moment. For example, at 8 p.m. yesterday, I was watching a film on TV. The film started at 7 p.m. and finished at 9 p.m., and at 8 p.m., I was in the middle of watching TV. When we use the past continuous tense, our listener usually knows or understands what time we are talking about. Look at these examples. I was working at 10 p.m. last night. They were playing football at 9 a.m. this morning. What were you doing at 10 p.m. last night? What were you doing when he arrived? She was cooking when I telephoned her. We were having dinner when it started to rain. Ram went home early because it was snowing. We often use the past continuous tense to set the scene in stories. We use it to describe the background situation at the moment when the action begins. Often, the story starts with a past continuous tense and then moves into the simple past tense. Here is an example. James Bond was driving through town. It was raining. The wind was blowing hard. Nobody was walking in the streets. Suddenly, Bond saw the killer in a telephone box. Past continuous tense plus simple past tense. We often use the past continuous tense with the simple past tense. We use the past continuous tense to express a long action. And we use the simple past tense to express a short action that happens in the middle of the long action. We can join the two ideas with when or while. In the following example, we have two actions. 1. Long action, watching TV, expressed with past continuous tense. 2. Short action, telephoned, expressed with simple past tense. We can join these two actions with when. I was watching TV when you telephoned. Notice that when you telephoned is also a way of defining the time, at 8 p.m. We use when plus short action, simple past tense, while plus long action, past continuous tense. There are 4 basic combinations. I was walking past the car when it exploded. When the car exploded, I was walking past it. The car exploded while I was walking past it. While I was walking past the car, it exploded. Special note: we use the continuous tense with actions. We do not normally use it with state verbs. For state verbs, we use the past simple. I wasn't knowing where you went for dinner. Wrong. I didn't know where you went for dinner. Right.